Waffles, are you okay?
You have become more attractive to me than I ever thought you would have. And no, it's nothing that you're like doing purposely. It's like I am into you. Like to feel this. Please just put it all out there. Just don't be afraid.
Waffles?
Yeah, I'm all in.
I like DJ. He's different to me, but kind of familiar at the same time. And right now, I am just super into it. It was really good. It was just surprising.
Best of luck.
JJ really topped the charts tonight.